Hello, welcome back sa channel. Ito na naman tayo with a pick-a-pile reading for June. Pasensya na kung June ulit nakapag-video. Super busy the past few months. So, kung bago kayo sa channel, take what resonates only. Maaring yung mensahe ay para sa ibang person na pumili ng pile, maaring sa inyo. And then, pili kayo from the 3 piles kung ano yung nag-attract sa inyo. So, pile number 1 is yung carnelian bracelet. Pile number 2, cat's eye na bracelet. And pile number 3 is yung moss agate na bracelet. Pile number 1, kung ito po ang pinili nyo, this message is for you. Sa mga bagong viewers dyan, I really appreciate you. Thank you for finding your way into the channel and would appreciate it if you could subscribe or like or maybe share the video. Again, only take what resonates, ha? So first card, I celebrate all the greatness in my life. Cleansing waters, purification activates vibrant life force. Reaching your destination, your light is shining brightly. The Tower. Knight of Pentacles. Ten of Swords. Hindi na siya kita. Five of Swords. Two of Cups. Knight of Cups. Nine of Swords. Two of Wands. And the Chariot. So, ayusin ko muna yung cards tsaka yung camera. Wait lang. Okay. So, ang nababasa ko sa inyo is pa number 1. I hope you're doing okay. Marami kayong struggles ngayon. Marami kayong pinagdadaanan. I see na mentally. There have been sleepless nights, anxieties that are bothering you. I see na maaring ang problema nyo is that nabibigatan kayo sa buhay nyo lately. Or nakaramdam kayo ng stagnation. For some of you, may mga nawala sa inyo like a job or a financial deal, a potential business partnership. For some of you, maaaring may family member na nagkasakit. Or you could be experiencing loss through death of a pet, death of a family member right now. Sinasabi ng cards na eventually things will work out on its own and makakatulong sa inyo kung you will try to look at the positive side of life. Although mahirap, mas maganda na i-focus yung energy ninyo on what's to come, what might come, and kung ano yung mga blessings ninyo ngayon. I see na temporary lamang ito. And for those of you who are having mental battles or nag-i-struggle sa work, nag-i-struggle sa finances, kailangan nyo rin magpahinga. Importante na i-regain nyo ang normal sleep schedule nyo. Mag-take ng supplements o mag-exercise para makareceive kayo ng hormones na that makes you feel good and para makatulog kayo ng maayos. Para naman hindi nyo mapabayaan ang health nyo. Some of you are neglecting your health. Some of you may be experiencing illnesses sa lungs. Meron sinisipon, inuubo. O wag naman sana may nagka-pneumonia. Ideal po na i-strengthen yung immune system and focus kayo sa healing nyo. What these cards want to tell you rin is that may paparating. You may have lost things right now, pero may paparating sa inyo. So, reassurance ito ng universe na this is a lesson for you that you have to learn from it. For those who are neglecting their health, for example, lesson ito na maging maingat sa sarili, na i-balance ang work sa well-being, and nasa purging process kasi kayo ngayon, o purging phase sa inyong life. Look at cleansing waters. Purification activates vibrant life force. So I see na tinatanggal sa inyo what is not needed in your life. You could be experiencing a loss of friends, o lalo na yung mga may Saturn return ngayon. Tinuturuan kayo ng lessons, mga dapat maalis sa inyong buhay ngayon to make room for the new. And para sa inyo naman ito, for your own growth. So, sa mga nabibigatan, maaring magpa-cleanse kayo or mag-salt bath. Maghalo lang kayo ng isang kutsara ng asin, ihalo sa isang balde ng tubig, tapos iligo kada umaga. Do it for 1 week. Kasi you have to regain back the positive energy in your aura in order to welcome good fortune and blessings to come. Kasi may paparating naman sa inyo for those who have work or for those na may trabaho. For those na, especially mga unemployed or natanggal sa work, may darating din na kapalit. May darating na offer. Sa mga nawala ng business partners, may darating pa rin na mas maganda. But you have to nurture this person and this offer. As in, alagaan mo siya. Huwag mo pabayaan, tutukan mo. Make efforts. Do it better this time around. For those in love, may paparating din na potential suitor sa inyo. Romantic, malambing, pwedeng maputi. May isa pang romantic suitor na maitim ang balat. Mainam na kilalanin nyo muna sila before jumping into a relationship. And itest nyo kung hanggang saan ang sincerity nila. Some of you are planning to travel. Although nahihirapan kayo na i-schedule ang travel nyo, maaaring gusto nyo sa ganitong lugar, ang partner nyo is gusto sa ibang lugar na opposite direction. Mainam na ipagplano nyo muna, do further research kung saan mas maganda, kung saan kayo makaka-enjoy. So this period calls for you to enjoy, kasi the more positive ang outlook mo, the more na darating ang blessings. Again, I celebrate all the greatness in my life. Celebrate all of the blessings that you have. Yun na lang ang i-focus nyo despite the hardships. Try to maintain a positive outlook kahit mahirap. Kasi eventually, you will secure what you're looking for. You may secure a relationship. Possible na basta nyo magkaroon ng relationship, maaring makilala nyo online yung person nyo, or makilala nyo through an acquaintance or friend. For some na nasa career, maaring yung offer na makuha nyo is mas maganda or magbibigay sa inyo ng travel opportunities. So, ayun lang. Pile number 1. Again, take what resonates and yun, keep a positive outlook as much as possible. Hello, pile number 2. This reading is for you. Again, take what resonates. Maring ang mensahe na lalabas ay para sa inyo, maring para sa iba. So, card number 1. I can forgive people quickly, release my resentment, and set myself free. Forgiveness. Crossing bridges. It's time for healing, connecting, mending, and releasing. Okay, so connected siya. Vast vistas. Expand your horizons. Okay, ika. Focus muna tayo sa 3 cards na ito. I'm seeing na may iba sa inyo na maaaring going through a breakup. May iba sa inyo na pinangakuan ng papautangin or ng business partnership pero hindi natuloy. Maaring pinaasa kayo sa trabaho ng promotion or mag-handle ng isang important project or responsibility pero hindi binigay sa inyo. So, I see na may sama ng loob kayo, but you have to set it free daw. It's time to let go. Especially kung matagal na ito nangyari. Kasi hindi ka raw makaka-move on to new opportunities kung hindi mo i-let go ang galit mo. So, try to let go of this negativity. To let positive energy and blessings come instead. Para sa inyo, o iba sa inyo, mahirap mag-forgive, o may mga friends kayo na nag-traitor sa inyo. Mainam na hayaan nyo na lang sila. Kasi hindi ka magkakaroon ng peace of mind kung hindi mo aalisin itong sama ng loob mo. Kung hindi mo naalis, in the end, ikaw ang lugi. It's time for you to move on to new ventures. Focus on what you have. Focus on what's coming. Next, Ace of Swords, Three of Cups, Page of Cups. Okay. Okay, importante para sa inyo na magkaroon ng mental clarity. Lapit ko lang cards. Importante na magkaroon kayo ng mental clarity kasi this is where new ideas or new plans will come to you. Kasi hindi ka makakapag-isip ng fruitful ideas or plans kung ang nasa isip mo ay negative o sama ng loob. If you are still looking at the past, you won't be able to think of ways to improve your future. For some of you, maaring invite kayo sa isang party or celebration for this June, and mainam na kunin nyo kasi you will get together with friends and it's a good time to distress. For some of you naman na nakikipag-mingle at hindi naghanap ng commitment, mukhang may commitment na darating sa inyo, or may suitor na maputi o chubby na lalapit para mag-suggest ng fling or relationship, or mag-aaya siyang ligawan ka. Take this invitation. So, try mo lang, baka magustuhan mo in the end. Next is King of Swords, the Magician, Queen of Coins. King of Swords, Magician, Queen of Coins. So, a lot of people are involved sa'yo this June, especially when it comes to career. Some of you may be planning a business. Some of you are planning to get into a specific industry. Some of you are trying to get a promotion. Sinasabi naman ng cards na you will be guided at magiging successful kayo sa plans nyo. Kailangan nyo lang gamitin ang skills, talents at resources nyo. Kung magaling kayo magsalita pero hindi nyo ginagamit sa marketing or sa paggawa ng business partnerships or business connections, kailangan nyo i-utilize yung talents nyo kasi mas magiging successful ang plano nyo kapag confident kayo sa talents niyo. For some of you na artistic, tas gusto nyo mag-business, pwede kayong mag-dive into graphic design or commissions para kumita. Again, do your research daw. Do your research before jumping into ventures. At tingnan nyo kung ano yung mga kailangan nyo, kung ano yung mga permits na kailangan nyo for the business, or sa mga nagta-travel, ano yung mga kailangan na requirements. For those at work, I see na may dalawang higher up or colleagues na magiging valuable mentor sa'yo. Yung isa ay babae na stricto, maalaga, at saka seryoso sa trabaho. Yung isa naman ay lalaki na tahimik, chill lang, hindi mo mabasang isip pero matalino. So, approach these people kung kailangan mo ng guidance and help kasi they will be willing to help you naman. O kaya yung mga gustong magbukas ng business, kung may kakilala kayong nag-fit sa description, pwede nyo silang lapitan for advice. Next is the Hierophant. Ace of Swords ulit. Nine of Cups. Okay, ang nakikita ko rito is for those na nahihirapan na i-let go ang kanilang anxieties and negativity. Makakatulong sa inyo na pumunta sa church or kung ano man ang religion nyo, go to your church, go to a respected spiritual figure. Kung more on tarot kayo, punta kayo sa tarot reader nyo for guidance. Pwede kayo pumunta sa lolo nyo. If you look up to them and see them as a wise person, seek them for advice. Pwede sa mga kailangan ng counseling, especially for couples. Mas mainam na punta kayo doon or seek organizations that can help you. Overall, matutupad naman yung wish nyo, especially those na may wish sa trabaho, maging stable ang business, kasal. Kita ko rin ang kasal dito, very possible na mangyari. Yung kasal is likely church wedding. So, ayun, let go of negativity and darating din itong mga blessings sa inyo. Makukuha nyo ang stability and security na hinahangad nyo. So, ayan. Pa number 2, thank you. And hope you can subscribe and like the video. Thank you. Hello, pile number 3. This reading is for you. Again, take what resonates. For new viewers, thank you for coming. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you can subscribe and like if resonates sa inyo. First card. When I move my body, I feel empowered, cleansed, and strong. First 3 cards muna tayo. Gates of Triumph. Success expands in your life. Grounding. Go deep, explore your roots. Okay. I see connections dito. So, may mga viewers dito na 2 up in the clouds. Like, ang dami nilang plano, and they're daydreaming kung ano yung gusto nilang mangyari. Pero nakakalimutan nila maging present in real life. Like, ang dami nilang iniisip, ang dami nyong fina-fantasize. May iba sa inyo na nagne-neglect na ng partner nyo, ng friends nyo, or ng family ninyo, pati ang health nyo. Dahil mas gusto nyong umupo at mag-hope, mag-dream. Ngayon, ang sinasabi ng cards na you should find balance. It's time for you to go out. Literal na mag-exercise or be more present or come out of your shell, mingle with others, be more alert and attentive kapag may kumakausap sa inyo. Oops, sorry. Especially in real life. So, you'll find na gagandang energy nyo kapag more connected kayo with nature. Kasi, di ba, kapag lumalabas tayo, mas gumagana ang pakiramdam natin. We see a lot of trees, the color green, it helps relax the mind. it's time for you, some of you, na makipag-connect din. You could be very independent dun sa job nyo, or very independent kayo, wala kayong jowa since birth, or you work on your business alone. It's time for you to seek help. It's time for you to ask for input and advice from others para lalong mag-expand at mag-grow yung mga ventures na ginagawa niyo. Oops. 3 cards. King of Wands. 3 of Pentacles. Knight of Swords. Okay, good news will come to you for some of you sa career. Maaring biglaan ito, mabilisan, masyashock kayo. Especially for those who are waiting for a promotion, for those na gustong mag-travel, mag-relocate, or gusto mag-abroad. Maaring dumating na yung balita sa mga visa nyo, or maaring magkaroon na kayo ng job offer. And the job that you will receive requires you to be creative. It requires you to work hard and to take on a leadership role. So, wag kayong mahiya, wag kayong matakot. Showcase your abilities, let yourself shine, and take the lead. Kasi, eventually, magli-lead din kayo ng team. At maring ma-promote kayo agad na sa mga naghahanap ng trabaho pa lang. For those na who are waiting for a promotion, this is your opportunity. Bibigyan kayo ng project kung saan makikipag-collaborate kayo with other teams, other team leads. For those in love, maaring magkaroon kayo ng suitor, ng biglaan, mabilisan. This person is very direct sa inyo. Maaring sabihin niya agad na ang expectations niya sa relationship. Sasabihin niya, gusto ko makilala ka muna bago kita lagawan, o kaya gusto ko ligawan na kita and let's see where this takes us. So, itong person na to ay may itsura, moreno, gandang katawan, talented. So, good catch so far. Try to open your heart to this person. Next is Temperance. Ayun, Balance, o Two of Swords. And then, Knight of Wands. Ayun o, nasa labas siya. It's time to make labas, guys. Labas na kayo, connect with nature, gumala-gala naman kayo. Sa mga nag-overwork dyan, kailangan nyo mag-unwind. Hindi lang puro trabaho, diba? Sure, we're saving up, pero at least set aside a portion of your savings para magliwaliw. Kasi, kailan kayo mag-i-enjoy pag matanda na kayo? Diba? Tsaka, going out doesn't have to be expensive naman eh. Pwede naman kayo mag-travel ng malapit lang, or look for cheaper options. Yan, find balance to welcome more blessings in your life. Kailangan nyo ng mental rest, kaya please go out. Please enjoy your money, enjoy the world. Nine of Pentacles, o ang dami nyo na raw ipon. Queen of Wands, and 3 of Pentacles ulit. Some of you, madami ang ipon na. Kailangan nyo ng i-nurture naman ng body at well-being nyo. Kasi what will your riches do kung may sakit naman kayo? Diba nga, health is wealth. Kapag napabayaan nyo ang health nyo, mas magastos pa yan. Please, love yourselves din naman. Some of you na nasa workplace or nasa business, may babae na involved, maaring makapartner ninyo, maaring maging good advisor sa business, maaring makatrabaho nyo na team lead na babae. Morena siya, demanding minsan, prangka, masaya kausap, loud ang personality, headstrong, likes to lead. You will get along with this person naman. At makakatulong siya sa growth ninyo. Mainam na din na makinig kayo sa kanya kasi magandang input niya, or makakatulong siya sa inyo. For some of you, I see na maaring makabili kayo ng property. Pwedeng land, kotse, house and lot, bahay. At possible na mabili nyo sa isang babae. Babae din ang nakikita ko. Some of you may be looking for a loan. Makukuha nyo naman. But kailangan nyo rin maging good payer or i-maintain ang trust ng bank or ng lender sa inyo. So that is it. Pile number 3. Thank you for watching the video. Hope it resonates. Pero again, take what resonates. Bye.